Hey guys, how's it going? Do you guys have tasks on your to-do list that you just keep walking past and ignoring? Well, if so, let's go ahead and get some of that done today. So I'm Monica, and this is a new series that I'm starting on my channel, and it's called 5-Minute Fridays. The premise behind it is really quite simple. So basically, just set a timer for 5 minutes and start working on a task. You may or may not finish it, but at least you're making some progress. Why do it? Because small tasks lead to really big things. But also, progress is motivational. So once you start checking off those things on your to-do list, that creates motivation to do even more. And worst case scenario, if I do nothing else today, then at least I know that I've accomplished something small and I can feel really good about that. Why am I filming it? Well, I've also noticed that sometimes just watching other people take action can spark motivation within myself. And I'm hoping that it's going to do the same thing for you. So whether you have a pot to replant, a perennial to cut back, or you have to put away your Christmas doormat because it's still hanging out on your front porch, or you have a pile of laundry that you need to start folding, let's go ahead and get that done together. By the way, those are all still tasks that I still need to do on my to-do list. So I've set my timer for 5 minutes. And I am going to be working on cleaning up this deck behind me, which I had started working on about a month ago, and then it completely got away from me because the weather got really, really cold. So I have a bunch of pots, and I forgot to move some plants inside. I still have my summer pillows out here. I never got a chance to cover anything. The rug is blown over. It's just a bit of an eyesore, and the fact that it's basically front and center from my window, I really just need to work on it and stop ignoring it. So let's go ahead and get it done. All right, guys, so I did run out of time fairly quickly, and I did run over 5 minutes fairly quickly. But at least what I did was I was able to move the concrete side tables under the overhang for some added protection, and I was able to cover my couches. Now, the couch covers, I quickly realized that this is probably going to be the last season that I'm getting out of them, so I'm probably going to order more within the next month or two. So I hope this helped. I hope this gives you some motivation. Also, I can't believe how out of breath I am from trying to do this in 5 minutes. So it's kind of fun as you're trying to race against the clock. But I hope this helps. You know, this time of year is all about big resolutions, and they can get so daunting, and some of them can be so unrealistic. So for me, rather than making those big resolutions, it's about making the little shifts that are going to add up to a lot and are realistic, so that I can even accomplish them even on most of my worst days, not just my best days. So with that, I hope this helps. I hope you guys feel a little bit of motivation to get something done that you've been staring at, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.